How to change avatar on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change avatar on PUBG. Changing avatar on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile, launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Profile. From the main menu, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Edit Profile. In your profile view, look for the edit button or pencil icon typically located near your avatar or profile picture. Choose avatar or character. In the setting menu, you can choose your avatar or character. Depending on the game version, you may see options for different avatar or character you have unlocked. Select new avatar. Tap on the avatar you want to use. Save changes. After selecting your new avatar, confirm your selection by tapping OK or Save. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change avatar on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.